In my previous videos, you would have seen videos where I actually show you how I was able to get a record highest transacted price in most of my rentals which I do. This is an even better case. This particular house had been tenanted for about only $2,000 per month for a very long time, and I managed to almost double it. I managed to bring the rental up to $3,600 per month. That's an amazing increase of 80% on the rent. That's right. And this particular unit is located in Sengkang area. Sengkang can already fetch $3,600 per month. That's amazing, isn't it? So if you have your house which is being rented out and you feel that it is not up to current market value, why don't you give me a call? Let me go through with you the numbers. Let me show you what others are actually looking at, how your place actually stacks up compared to the competition and other people, how much they are marketing their place for. And just remember this, when it comes to yield, there is nothing that is better than HDB. HDB, once you reach your minimum occupation period, which MOP, which is 5 years, and if you are in the luxurious position of being able to rent it out while you go and stay somewhere else, or you have a second property, or you want to stay with your parents or stay with your kids, this is a very good option for you. Always look at the possibility of whether you can rent out your HDB, because in a very short period of time you'll be able to get your money back. Let's put it into perspective. For this particular unit, now that they are getting a rent of $3,600 per month, within 8 years they would have paid up totally what they have put in for the house. That's amazing, isn't it? See you soon, guys.